Well, it's official. I couldn't even give the Lincoln away for $100.
Oh yeah!
Pretty sad. Whatever. I guess I'm the owner of it. Again, officially. Not even for $100. Well, it's official. The raffle is over. It's canceled. I do appreciate everybody that bought a ticket though. Thank you very much. It was cool, really cool to see people come together for something like that. So thank you for everyone who bought a ticket. I really appreciate you getting in on that and supporting something I'm doing. Kind of a shame. Would have been really cool to see somebody get that car. My feelings aren't hurt too bad. Weather's getting a lot nicer around here, so it would be cool to have the car to cruise around this spring and summer and stuff like that. So I don't mind too much. I was just going to use the money to dump into this 6 faux. No big deal. So thank you very much for everybody that participated in that. I'll get the money refunded back to you in the next couple days. I'll shoot you an email when I refund through PayPal. And I'm glad everything went through PayPal. It'll make it a lot easier to refund everything. So I'll shoot everybody an email when they get their money back. Couple people, super freaking generous, told me to keep the raffle money. Said buy something with it. See that? See it over there? It's a big freaking sheet of steel is what that is, okay? So, thank you very much for the kind souls that let me keep some of that money. Not saying everybody should do that, but I'm just saying a few were very generous and told me to keep it, told me to buy something cool for the Impala. So that's what that is back there. Okay, that is a giant sheet of metal. Yes, yes, we got some more metal. So I'll be able to keep going on this frame. So thanks everybody. It's quite the angle, isn't it? Just sitting here in my SS seat. Dreaming. Just dreaming of the day. Well, I guess it's gonna be a 2-speed. So it's just more like put it in D and go, basically, but we can dream. There she is, people. Rust. Overall, floors are not very bad, actually. There's a few spots that are pretty nasty, but not too bad. But this isn't about the Impala. It's about the Lincoln. And I own the Lincoln again. Yes. Thanks, everybody. I'm gonna make some more videos on this Impala here soon. Now that I got a giant sheet of steel, I got really no excuse. So, see ya.